The best chicken wings you will ever cook aren't even chicken wings. Let me introduce you to our chicken lollipops. The best part about these chicken lollipops is they're easy to cook. You can throw them on the grill like we're about to, cook them in the oven, cook them in the air fryer. You treat these exactly like wings, except better. Next, I want to show you guys our secret recipe how to cook these chicken lollipops. First thing you always do, and this is with anything you're gonna grill, is you wanna start off with a nice seasoning. So I picked one with a little bit of heat in this just because I wanna give it a little bit more of that wing flavor profile. With having the skin on, you can season it a little bit heavier than you typically would because that skin takes up that nice little seasoning and it gives it an awesome texture. I like to get that skin nice and crispy. Next, I'm gonna show you how to make one of our in-house favorite bacon butter sauce that we're gonna toss the wings in after we cook. So let me throw these on the grill real quick. Okay, it really helps to have your grill pretty hot on this one. You wanna get a nice little sear. I know there's some people that like to start off on the low side and then move to the high heat. I like to start on the high heat, get that sear nice in there, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave this here for about 5 minutes, flip it for another 5 minutes. I'm gonna pull off to the low side, the low heat side. I'm gonna finish it off there. And now I'm gonna make the bacon butter sauce for those chicken lollipops. So first what you wanna do is you're gonna take our Good Ranchers bacon butter, open it up. You're gonna take, I would say probably 4 to 5 tablespoons of it. Getting a good amount here. So you're gonna wanna really toss the wings in it. This sauce is amazing just by itself. You can throw it on burgers, pancakes, bacon, sandwiches, all kinds of amazing things. Throw it on pork chop. But what we're doing here is we're actually gonna take this just by itself. We're gonna add a little bit of mayonnaise to it. A little bit of extra fat kind of gives it a little more sauciness to it. And then what I wanna do is I wanna add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. This will give it a little bit like stickiness to it that we can stick to those wings really well. Then what you're gonna do is gonna try to mix it up here. You're gonna start to see that color turn to a nice, rich caramelly color. Then here's the secret though. I'm gonna add a little bit of the seasoning that I put on the chicken lollipops into it, so it kind of gives it a little bit of a, like more of a deeper flavor profile that we threw on those wings. And plus that has a little bit of heat in it. Now this bacon butter has a really savory taste to it, so it's not super sweet. That bacon and a little bit of this seasoning adds a little savory to it that you can add it to so many different things. And my kids love using it on pork chops, but we're gonna go ahead and throw these on, toss these in the wings, and you're gonna be amazed. Yeah, the next step here is I melted some butter over the coals. It gives that butter just a little bit more of that smoky flavor. Pour it in the pan. Then what I'm about to do is I'm going to take all of this little bacon mayonnaise mix that I created. I'm going to put it in here. This is the bowl that we're going to toss the wings in. You want a bigger bowl so that you can actually get like a really good toss there. The butter just, again, everything's better with butter, right? But it helps with the coating of that sauce on there. Butter is actually the secret to a great wing, and it's the secret to the great chicken lollipop too. Take this beautiful piece right here, throw it in there. Man, it smells delicious. Then when you're done, take them out. You have one of the best wings you can ever have, but it's not a wing, it's a chicken lollipop.